Want to buy a motorcycle, but you're too scared to go outside? What do? Luckily, there are places online where you can buy one and ship it directly to your door. Look at this, it made it right to this spot. They just delivered it right into my garage. Actually, it was like a few feet that way, but it showed up and it is a lot larger than I was expecting. Are you ready for the reveal? Check it out. There's a little motorcycle in there. It looks like it's basically assembled. The rear shock is even on already, even mounted already, and the brakes are on and everything, except the handlebars are off. So it looks like we got to get it out of this frame and pop the handlebars on. This is the easiest one so far. Where are my power tools? Wait just a second. A box of goodies. What do we have here? Oh, we've got the bill of sale and the title nicely packaged away here. Some Venom Motorsports paraphernalia. Look at that, even a t-shirt. While we're here, let's take a look at what we have. Cue the nice music. Okay, maybe we should put it together and get all these tiny clouds off this thing before we do the montage. For reference, all of these seem to be 10 millimeter. Here we go. All right, does this come off? Of course not. Oh, I just had to pull harder. More bolts. Ooh, it comes with a free spider. I would have expected snakes from Venom Motorsports, but spiders will work. Okay, so it looks like even after I completely disassemble this frame, that the back tire is being wedged in to a couple pieces of angle iron there, so I think it should stand. And if not, it'll fall. And another benefit, when you're done with this project, you can go sell all these nuts and bolts right outside your local hardware store. And this middle bracket is mounted right through the handlebar mounts, so you just have to undo this with a 6 Allen and remove this middle post. Let's just put the handlebars on there and then I can get all this crazy cloud tape off. Oh, I'm gonna have to loosen it more than that. Just like I thought. All right, I'm just gonna get them started here. All right, bars are on, keys are even in. Dreams. Let's get the shower cap off. Let's see what's in this box at the bottom. Ooh, a puppy. I'm just kidding, it's just the mirrors and the charger. Just threads right in, and when you have it to the right angle, you just screw down this little coupling nut that's on the threads. And the charger it comes with is a 72 volt, 3.5 amp. So at the other end of this yellow brick road is a breaker switch that we need to turn on. And that key pops off the seat. All right, I see some of the controller wiring here, so the controller must be right up in there somewhere. Probably would have been the spot for the 12 volt battery if this was a gas powered vehicle, but it's just a nice little storage compartment. Oh no. And I'm gonna let it charge overnight. Let's teleport to a time where it's fully charged and we're outside. All right, let's take a quick tour of the cockpit here. We've got the ignition directly in the middle. Turn it on. Digital gauge cluster there lights up. You've got your battery percentage on the left side, your voltage it looks like at the bottom, and your odometer. Here we've got the brake, the throttle, the 3-speed switch. You can turn your lights on and off. I like that because if you're in the daytime, you can just turn your lights all the way off and save some of your battery. Moving over to the left-hand side here, another horn. It sounds a little more yellow than this one, right? Turn signals and then high and low beam. Well guys, I'm digging the look of this bike, but there are a few changes I would make. First and foremost, the whole bike needs to be dipped in a vat of Loctite, kind of like all Chinese bikes. Make sure everything is secure. And then also it comes with a lead acid battery, which is kind of a bummer. I was hoping this was a lithium-based chemistry battery, but that's an upgrade we're gonna have to do. But for the next video, we're gonna take this bike out, see how it performs stock, because I'm gonna be keeping this bike and using it as a platform to do some upgrades. That way we have something to compare it to when we put an 8,000 watt motor on it and a lithium battery in it, and it'll be a monster.